If you do book scuba diving, I highly recommend Salty Endeavors. They actually come to the Weston Pier and pick you up on the pier and then go to the dive site. Absolutely amazing. Their shop actually is about 15-minute drive south in a taxi. But if you already have your certification, they can pick you up here and then go to the dive site and then drop you back off at the Weston Pier. Unbelievable service, love it. So this place right over here is Bacanos, if that's how you pronounce it, and that was the restaurant that we ate at the second night. Beautiful food. They have a patio area, so they have enclosed dining on the second floor, Bacanos, and it is, there's the Westin, the tall white building. You can actually walk the beach along this right here, and you're gonna pass through some like rope areas, especially this one here where it says private property, but then it enters Bacanos right here. You go here in this building right in front of us right here. Not the abandoned hotel, but this white one here, that's Bacanos. Beautiful food. On the kayak right now, there are some cool coves if you go down this way. I'm gonna continue this way a little bit here, but wanted to get a little morning workout in before I do fly this afternoon. There again is the jet ski rental place. Zipline place is right behind me. The restaurant, the current goes this way from the Westin towards the cruise ships. You will, if you want a better workout, obviously go against the current. I do want to check out that one house, that private house, so I will do that next to the restaurant here in a little bit. But I'm gonna paddle around a little bit, get some GoPro footage. Beautiful morning. Here's a better shot of the patio area. Sorry about the lighting, sun coming in. Bacanos patio right there. That's where we ate. Beautiful setting. I don't see any fish yet, but I don't have my snorkel. This might be a private residence in front of us. That's absolutely stunning. And then look at this. This is the, people do live here, but it's an abandoned hotel. Got some jet skis right here. This is a cool little cove. This is next to Bacanos on the other side of the abandoned hotel. And a nice little cove here. You could have a little lunch right here, pull up, put your kayaks up there if you wanted a quick little snack. I'm gonna continue on a little bit further. Looks like it's all shut up, but that it's a pool, infinity pool. That's a big, beautiful house, I'll tell you what. Don't think anyone's there at the moment. If there was a surf break here, that would be goals for sure. Yeah, buddy, crystal clear water, buddy. Here we go. Yeah. Take a little siesta. I'll tell you what, you sure could. Out here taking a little siesta, just enjoying it. I'll tell you what, little morning workout. I'm doing intervals, paddling strong and then chilling a little bit. I want to capture the moment, not just getting a workout in. Cousin Seth and I, we got a nice workout in last night at the gym. Not too many beach coves. They're kind of rocky edges like this. Unless you found one like the Westin, but I'm pretty sure the Westin, that was man-made, unless it was just beautiful inlet like that. Found some treasure. Looks like a life jacket with a empty water bottle. No. Well, Westin, it has been a very pleasurable experience, literally 5 stars out of 5 stars, very hospitable. I did actually for today push my checkout to 12 p.m. complimentary checkout, pushed back 1 hour. I think that's also due to the availability as well, but there was no issues with that. And what's nice is my flight doesn't leave the local airport till 2, so that's really cool in my opinion. I did not get a chance to go up to the rooftop pool and experience that. If you do hear any grinding noise, that's them working on the pool. I'm used to that kind of construction noise, but see where some people are like, oh, a little perturbed, you know, that there's grinding while I'm trying to enjoy the beach, which is totally understandable. But overall, a very pleasurable experience. I'm gonna finish packing up, head on to the airport. You board on the outside of the plane here. Small little airport. Food courts, board out, you know, outside here, United. Chill little airport.